Down it goes. Oh my. Red light. Red light. Haha. Get through that, McQueen. Oh, a huge crash behind the wheel. Oh! Yeah. Wait a second, Daryl. Queen is getting the wrecking. There's no way that the rookie can make him go through. Not one to pace that is. Look at that. McQueen made man spectacular thing by Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Good job. Later, when the race starts again. These cars doing great. Look at them. Come on, boys. Let's get to the race. Go slipping and sliding, go, boys. All right. Yeah, go, go, go. Go, races, go. Oh, yeah. Vroom, vroom, vroom. This is it, man. The final lap and McQueen's in a straight. Checker flag, here I come. It's so close for, and it's. It's too close for him to win. Lightning is the winner. Yeah, Lightning is the winner of all race cars. Yeah. We just beat all the fastest cars, and welcome to anything that he wants. He wants to do anything.